Hi guys, and welcome to a new video on Park It Where You Love It. This is a video from 2019 when I still was working in the 3 hotels in Munich. And yeah, there was a dark side of my van life. But watch yourself. Are you wondering what I'm doing? I'm crossing out Christmas markets. I won't go, and marking those I will go. So it's the end of the night shift and I'm going to Bayerbach, which is in eastern part of Bavaria, something like that. And I'm visiting a Christmas market today. Can you see that little lake there? I bathed in it like 4 months ago, something like that. No, I can't because it's like 3 degrees. I've arrived in Bad Birnbach, which is about 120 kilometers east of Munich. And near here is this Christmas market. I want to go today, so I will sleep here in my car as usual. In the last 7 days I only slept down here, not up in the rooftop tent. There are some motocross drivers outside and the sun is shining. It's very hot at the moment. Also it has 7 degrees or something. At the moment I can't sleep. That's the dark side of van life. I found something good in my purse. Look, here's a Red Bull. Apart from balls in my purse, those motocross drivers have left the place. Now that I have to get up to go to the Christmas market. Unfortunately, Christmas markets don't have any coffee. Only hot wine, beer, something like that. But I will drink a coffee after the Christmas market. I hope this Christmas market has some food left. Because the other one yesterday, when I arrived, 10 people were in the queue before me, and when it was my turn, I didn't have any food left. The person before me had food, and me not. And I had to drink my hot wine without eating anything. It's a hard life. It's garlic bread and hot wine. Oh, it's good. I got myself a cab and now I'll go to the spa. Can you see the spa? Well, it's only a part of it because it's divided into two parts.
Yeah, 68.
I had to cool down a bit. Go to work.